BOWN stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Bowen Acquisition. It is 7% down, and all I'm looking to do really is just potentially still keep taking things up. I mean, having done the most videos on YouTube in the world, these types of videos, and having the most proof with BOWN, the only thing that I'm looking to do is just double down on this bullish market. Not only am I just gonna, I mean, I'm not saying that I'm gonna randomly buy, but what I'm saying is that I know it's not volatile enough, but if the price gives me the rules and there is a correct shift here, me buying is just going to be inevitable as long as I keep an eye on this, right? So I'll keep waiting. I'll keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. And yeah, I like the shifts. I like how, because this can be a big thing. So stay tuned. Goodbye and enjoy.